Okay, we've got our head here and we glued our pieces in, and I also added a piece to the front because I wanted to bring this up a little bit more. So what we want to do now is I took my ruler and I marked our center this way, and we marked our center going from here this way, and each of them was 1 7/8. So what we'll do is we want to mark this center with this here, so we know we don't want to lose our center when we put our stick in. So as we sand this down, if you don't mark it, then you might end up getting off, and then you won't remember where your center is exactly. So now I'll take this punch here, and I'm going to mark this center. So now as I take and take all this off in here and round all this down, we'll still know where our center is when we go to drill our hole for our stick. So I'm going to use my belt sander, and we're going to round this all down and shape it down and get it down to this size here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.